Now we can learn how to write an irrational number within a given range. For example, write an irrational number between 2 and 3. How can we solve this? At first, guess an irrational number between 2 and 3. Let this number be x. If x lie between 2 and 3, then x square will lie between 2 square and 3 square. So x square is greater than 2 square and less than 3 square. That means x square is greater than 4 and less than 9. So we can choose x square as 5, we can choose it as 6, we can choose x square as 7 or 8. That means x equal to root 5 or x equal to root 6, x equal to root 7, x equal to root 8. So we can write root 5, root 6, root 7 or root 8 as the answer. Doesn't matter which one I write, any of them is a correct answer. We can write as answer root 5. This is a correct answer. We can write root 6. This is a right answer. We can write root 7 as answer, or we can write root 8 as an answer. Each of them lies between 2 and 3 and each of them is an irrational number.